Hello everyone. Good morning all of you. Welcome to UKG Doraemon. Children, which day is today? Today is Thursday and date is 29 July 2021. Today we have our English class. आज हमारी कौन सी क्लास है? English class. And in English we are going to join the consonant with it sound. Okay. These are consonants L, F, K, S, P. Consonants. And we are going to make new 3-letter words. Okay children, so let's get started. This is it, lit. For example, we lit diyas on Diwali. We lit diyas on Diwali. हम दिवाली पे क्या करते हैं? हम दिवाली पे दिया जलाते हैं. सो लिट का क्या मतलब हुआ? जलाना. नाउ नेक्स्ट. इट, फिट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी डू एक्सरसाइज डेली वी विल बिकम फिट. एन एप्पल अ डे will keep us fit. Now next, it, kit. A first aid kit, a makeup kit. Kit means बहुत सारी चीज़ें अगर एक बैग में होती हैं ना, so that is called kit. Like in the first aid kit various things are there, in the makeup kit various things. Now next, it. Pit means a big hole. For example, that dog is digging a pit. And pit means a big hole. बहुत बड़ा सा गड्ढा. Now next, it. Sit means बैठना. Like this man is sitting on the chair. This girl is also sitting. Sit means बैठना. Another example is please sit down. This is your English PW. Complete it and send me pic.